I'm Dan Magera, founder of Molecular MS Diagnostics. Oh,
And I'm Jacqueline Magera. I'm the marketing manager at MMSD.
we do GMP analytical testing from drug development all the way through commercial release.
Generis has been a fantastic organization to work with. They really have put on such a great event. It was our first time attending. Every step of the way, from signing on to being at the actual event, the team has been so supportive and pleasant, flexible, and really, really awesome to work with. We're joining again next year as well.
The one-to-one meetings were excellent. We've gotten great feedback, and it's always good to come to a conference, not have booth traffic pass you by, but have interested people come and talk to you at the meeting.